Hello and welcome back to the NHIG's series of instructional videos. Today we are going to be looking at corner welds. Corner welds are quite often found as reinforcements on timber structures such as lock gates, boxes, etc. You will also find them as part of hinges or window frames. The corner weld we're going to be demonstrating today is going to be a right angle corner weld, though you can make these to suit whatever angle is required. In order to produce this joint, both ends need to be scarfed. In order to do this, I will truncate them 45 degrees. Were they to be welded in an overlapping manner, they would simply gall and guillotine through each other. In order to truncate the bars, I will forge in the corner. As I am doing this, I will allow the material to thicken. You will also notice that I am forging in these corners at an angle that is to create a weld plane as opposed to a shear plane. Both bars are prepared in the same aspect, meaning that they are both identical and not reversed, and this is because one is used upside down. In order to ensure that I am tacking these together at the correct angle, I will clamp them together between two bits of bar. If you have to make a number of these, it is worth drilling holes in the two bits of flat bar in order to bolt them together. And here we will go with a tack. And a second tack. And a second, more solid weld. And at this point, I am able to fully weld the two pieces together. You will notice that due to the thickness of the material being welded together, I have some extruded material, and we will work that in, and this will contribute towards a nice square even corner. And I will then dress both parent bars to suit. Double check for squareness. With forging, there is always leeway for your work to come out of true. And here we have a welded square corner. We hope this has been informative. Thank you very much for watching.